Hello guys, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM guys. Hope you're fine now. Once again, I'm talking about the Stellar XLM price prediction, the latest price update of the XLM. But guys, before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Stellar XLM. So guys, the currently live price of the XLM in the market is 0.379131 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the XLM in the market. And furthermore guys, other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Stellar XLM, so you can see here everything is on the front of your eyes. The whole changes the last 1 hour, last 1 day, in last 1 week, the whole changes of the Stellar XLM in the market is positive. So that's really good for all of you, and that is a good news for all of you that the changes is positive. September month is again a profitable month for all of you. Now from the price chart, it's also clear. You can see here every hour by hour, day by day, and the price of the Stellar lumens is increasing, guys. So that's very good news for all of you. Anyways, if we talk about the latest price update, so 0.3803 USD dollar, that is the highest price of the Stellar XLM in the market, and positive 4.95% changes occurred in the Stellar XLM in the market in the last 3 days, guys. So hope you like this update video of the Stellar XLM. Before talking more about Stellar XLM, please subscribe now for more news and updates videos. Now guys, if we talk about the prediction of a Stellar XLM, so guys, my prediction is 100% positive about Stellar. I believe guys that after 7th 8th August, in the second week of September, the price will take a quick bump. That's my prediction. That's my technical analysis. What do you think about that? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.